Each animal is bright green, has bright red eyes, and can climb up to 10 feet high. It's the red-eyed tree frog. These fascinating creatures are known for their striking appearance and incredible climbing ability. Red-eyed tree frogs are native to the rainforests of Central and South America and are about the size of a golf ball. But don't let their small size fool you. These little frogs have some unique features that make them stand out. One of the most interesting things about red-eyed tree frogs is their ability to change colors. During the day, they are bright green to blend in with the leaves they rest on, but at night, they turn blue and yellow to warn predators of their toxicity. Another unique feature of red-eyed tree frogs is their incredible jumping ability. They can jump up to 10 feet high and use their suction cup-like toe pads to cling to leaves and branches. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about red-eyed tree frogs is their parenting. The male frogs guard the eggs and tadpoles on leaves above water, keeping them safe from predators.
Meet the basilisk, also known as the Jesus Christ lizard. Endemic to Central and South America, these lizards are widely known for their uncanny ability to run across surfaces of rivers and streams. Basilisk lizards accomplish this seemingly miraculous act by generating force with their feet that keeps their bodies above the surface and upright. They have flaps of rolled-up scales on their toes that unfurl when they hit the surface of the water. As they run, their big feet slam against the water's surface, creating a pocket of air, which increases the surface of the foot, and that's how they turn fluid into firm footing, which allows them to stay atop and out of the water. They can run on water up to 60 feet or 18 meters, at a speed of 15 miles or 24 kilometers per hour, before gravity takes over, and they begin to sink, and they use this ability mainly to flee from predators, such as large birds and snakes. Meet the water anole, the scuba lizard. Water anole, or Anoles aquaticus, is a species of anole from the family Dactyloideae, native to western Costa Rica. They have a unique ability in that they can breathe underwater by diving into rivers or streams to avoid predators. They are technically rebreathing the oxygen from their lung using nasal air bubble, which is made possible by a thin layer of air between the water and their highly hydrophobic skin, giving them a silvery appearance that can be seen among terrestrial anole species as well. They breathe by exhaling air from the lungs into the thin pocket of air, and the nasal pocket will expand to form a bubble. Then they simply inhale the air back, literally recycling the air. They can stay underwater for up to 20 minutes, and studies suggest that they do this to escape predators and wait until the danger has passed, a great example on how animals can adapt to their environments.
600 to 800 meters, we find a creature with a translucent head and tubular eyes capped by bright green lenses. Barrel eyes typically live near the depth, where sunlight from the surface fades to complete darkness. These unusual eyes can rotate within a transparent shield that covers the fish's head. This allows the barrel eye to peer up at potential prey or focus forward to see what it's eating. The green pigments in its eyes may filter out sunlight coming directly from the sea surface, helping the barrel eye spot the bioluminescent glow of jellies or other animals directly overhead. When it spots prey, the fish rotates its eyes forward and swims upward in feeding mode. Although such tubular eyes are very good at collecting light, they have a very narrow field of view. The two spots above the barrel eye's mouth are actually olfactory organs called nares, which are similar to human nostrils. At depths of
can be deadly. Each raindrop is heavy, and it takes a lot more energy to stay aloft. But they have a neat trick to deal with the buildup. They can shake in mid-air up to 50 times in a second, keeping their feathers clear of water and their tiny engines revving.
That's a ribbon worm. One of the scary and ugly alien-looking worm you probably didn't even imagine in your dream. Ribbon worms are a group of marine worms that are known for their long, ribbon-like bodies that can range from just a few centimeters to several meters in length. There are over 1,000 known species of ribbon worms, and they can be found in oceans all over the world. Ribbon worms are also known for their ability to regenerate. If a part of their body is cut off or damaged, they can regenerate that body part within just a few weeks. These worms are carnivorous and have a unique method of capturing their prey. They use a long proboscis or feeding tube to inject toxins into their prey, which immobilizes or kills them before the worm consumes them. Some species of ribbon worms are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce their own light. This may be used to attract prey or to communicate with other members of their species. The largest species of ribbon worm on record is the bootlace worm, which can grow up to 55